What began as telephony has now evolved into telecommunications. For over 100 years, ATEA has been an international pioneer. During that time, we've achieved a lot. Such as the earliest manual telephone exchanges, which even then were exported to cities such as Rome, Glasgow, St. Petersburg, and Odessa. The successful introduction of the Strauger system to the new Belgian RTT network. The key systems, ATEA's world-conquering invention. The first electronic exchange for the RTT. The first digital PABX on the European market. The list could go on. But the most remarkable achievement of all is ATEA's continuous commitment. The commitment to carry on mastering new technologies and to develop worldwide commercial relations based on mutual respect. Flexibility has always been one of our core qualities. Now, that flexibility is ATEA's passport to the future. Customer dedication, quality and innovation are permanent watchwords in all our activities. Thanks to its knowledge and experience, ATEA is truly a problem solver. Solving problems in almost every field of telecommunications, anywhere in the world. In communications with voice, text, image and data. Using fixed, mobile or satellite installations. In both the public and the private sector. Since 1986, ATEA has been part of the Siemens Group. A highly successful partnership paving the way to the future. A future ATEA is working hard to ensure. Information will be the main raw material of the 21st century. A commodity everyone will want access to, at all times, in all places, in all forms. This is the challenge facing telecommunications, the challenge facing ATEA. Is it complex? Certainly, but let's take a closer look at it. ATEA designs and builds telecommunications networks for the public sector. Telephone networks for voice, fax and low-speed data. Data networks in which packet switching allows several terminals at a time to communicate rapidly and with flawless accuracy. Radio telephony networks, providing users with increasing freedom of communication. ATEA also produces ISDN networks, which offer subscribers a wide variety of services, covering the field of voice, text, image and data communications. We're also well advanced in developing broadband ISDN and are highly optimistic about its quality and applications. In the private sector, we're branching out in all directions. Voice networks in a single building or between buildings, with or without a data option. Specific data networks built around ATEA's optical transmission system. A system, moreover, which can build a connection between practically all types of voice and data networks. Protocol conversion facilities enable trouble-free communication between all types of equipment. Like we said, we're branching out in all directions. When we combine public and private networks, the possibilities are literally endless. The world becomes a much smaller place. At ATEA, we have all the tools to devise reliable telecommunications solutions. A fully integrated company with business locations in Herentals, Brussels, Namur, Colfontaine, and the magnificent site at Grand Ornu. These last three sites together form the ATEA South Division. ATEA also has an extensive range of high-performance products. Software packages made to order and perfectly tailored to every need, for all applications, levels and customers. Hardware products built in line with the latest technology, accompanied by flexible software and designed to meet constantly shifting needs well into the future. Products well worth investing in. But ATEA's most important asset is its unique history of knowledge and experience. As a researcher, developer, producer, commercial advisor, project implementer, and supporter of network operations, the specific expertise of all these specialists is in-house and thus available to everyone. And that's the basis of our strength. ATEA, strength from knowledge. Thinking, talking, creating, discussing, testing, we never stop exploring the ever-changing world of telecommunications. For the hundreds of engineers working for ATEA, the future is already a reality. In collaboration with Siemens, this reality is gradually taking shape. We're helping to create international standards in broadband ISDN and building the first prototypes with the Belgian RTT. We're also opening up new horizons with object-oriented software. Radio telephony, absolute freedom of communication, but a freedom which requires enormously complex software in which ATEA, as the main radio telephony laboratory within the Siemens Group, is playing a leading role. We're also continuing the evolution of software for our current range of products and for all earlier equipment. Software support which spells customer security, both now and in the future. ATEA has a vast engineering expertise, developing everything from VLSI to printed circuit cards, from steel plate to cabinet stage. These developments are realized in our production centers at Herentals and Colfontaine, where skilled professionals operate our ultra-modern production plants. Here, new production techniques are used to manufacture high-performance products, perfectly finished and safe to operate. ATEA's independent testing department guarantees the operational safety of all our products. For them, only top marks will do. As a manufacturer of advanced electronic equipment, ATEA also carries out engineering and manufacturing contracts for third parties. For ATEA, selling products means coming up with the perfect solution for our clients' needs. That's why we always go that little bit further. The reward is long-term customer loyalty. Customer relations developed from a profound respect for the idiosyncrasies of foreign cultures, supported by the dynamic export policy of the Belgian government, the efforts of all its services, and the invaluable recommendation of our Belgian customers. The good listening qualities of our sales department have always helped us in this respect. Only when it has full knowledge of a problem will ATEA advise. Solutions well thought out and always with the full support of the whole company. In other words, sales with a difference. At ATEA, sales equals service, and service equals success, especially for the customer. ATEA is involved in projects all over the world, either independently or in partnership. These projects can take any form, from tailor-made to turnkey. Each project is supervised by a project management team, up to and including delivery. This team selects specialists in line with contract specifications. By combining knowledge in response to customer needs, ATEA is able to guarantee maximum efficiency for each project. In collaboration with Siemens, ATEA ensures that every project is a model project. The transfer of knowledge is vital in the world of telecommunications. Accordingly, experienced instructors provide continuous training in all fields, both in-house and on-site, in any language required. The in-house transfer of knowledge is also vital. That's why ATEA sets such store by its permanent training and individual refresher courses. Learning from colleagues is also boosted through teamwork and cooperation between all departments. Cooperation in which everyone is working towards a common goal, passing on quality to your colleagues so that they can pass it on to the customer. Above all, ATEA is a people-orientated company in which open and honest discussion leads to positive working relationships. Relationships geared towards maximum harmony between the company and its employees, and between the manufacturer and the client. 100 years of total commitment to the development of telecommunications are the foundation of the worldwide position and reputation of ATEA today. We will reinforce this position by continuing to strive for the highest professional and ethical standards in all our activities. We consider our customers to be our partners. Partners, we hope, for life. Their confidence in us is a measure of our confidence in the future.